Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to file tax on IRS full guide. Start by gathering W-2s, Form 1099s, Social Security numbers, and receipts for deductible expenses. Organize documents by category so you can enter income and deductions quickly. Decide if itemizing benefits you versus the standard deduction and pick the right forms. Back up digital records and create a simple checklist to stay on track through the filing process. Collect all income documents before you start entering numbers to avoid missed items. Use Form 1040 to report wages and attach schedules for self-employment or rental income as needed. Include Form 1099 entries for contractor work, dividends, and interest so totals match your records. If you received unemployment or Social Security benefits, report those amounts carefully. Double-check math and reconcile totals to avoid processing delays or notices from the IRS. If you're finding this walkthrough helpful, please subscribe and like to support more clear tax guidance. Quick recommendation: I seriously love the book mentioned here because it changes how you think about money and long-term planning, and it ties nicely to smart filing habits. Check the description for the link and other deals so you can get your copy easily. Thanks for watching. Now let's get back to the video. Review available credits and deductions to reduce your tax bill before you calculate taxes owed. Credits like the child tax credit or education credit reduce tax dollar for dollar, so confirm eligibility. Compare mortgage interest and charitable donations to the standard deduction to determine the best approach. Consider contributions to retirement accounts or HSA accounts to lower taxable income. Keep receipts and documentation for every deduction and credit you claim.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.